Hey Fabio, this is Philip and Marco.
And I'm Marco. Yeah, I've been talking to you for a while.
Yeah, and we came across this shell and we just figured we'd give you a little bit of a video to kind of look over the car and see what you think. This is the one we just picked up. It's really quite clean. It's just been gone over. The owner that we got it from owned a paint and body shop. So this was his personal car and he had it painted in this yellow here. I mean, it's kind of dusty right now. We haven't cleaned it off or anything. And it's very clean. It's probably about 99% rust free. I would say there's a couple small spots that we've noticed, and the actual body of the car is very straight. Like from the outside point of view, it's really clean. It's really well done. On the areas that are not covered by items like interior and whatnot, he's painted. However, on the interior and then also in the engine bay, it's been painted, but as we were saying, to our standards, it probably could be raised up a little bit. I mean, there's some paint flaking. I don't think the prep work was that great on the engine bay side. Subframes, got overspray and things like that.
We'll definitely repaint the subframe.
Yeah, the subframe would definitely be repainted. It's on suspension now, but it's basically just a roller. It needs everything. But in terms of a starting chassis, it's really nice because it's a 78 Canadian model Mini, which is kind of cool. It has a couple different little things that differentiate it from the other marks, but really nice. If you were looking to do a repaint, we could also repaint it full body. It's in the perfect stage to do repaint because it's fresh as is, so wouldn't need a ton of prep work. It doesn't need any body work. It just needs a spray. So yeah, and if we look kind of inside the car here, you can see the interior. Everything that's covered by carpets has been left the original yellow. It's a little bit more mustard yellow than the color that's been painted with. Again, all this stuff inside here would be covered by carpets and dash and whatnot. If you did want to leave it exposed, depending on the kind of build you're going for, we could have that resprayed as well. It has no wiring, has no engine, no transmission, so all of that could be spec'd to whatever you're looking for. We can build the car pretty much at this stage to whatever you'd like, whether it be a different color change or you choose engine, transmission, wheels, tires, kind of whatever you want. We could make the car. It's a really good starting platform. So just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of a look at what we've got here, maybe see if that's something you'd be interested in. We picked it up just because we thought it was a great deal and it's a good car. It's really really hard to find rust-free shells, so when we see a good one, we tend to go for it. So this is a great car. If it's not right for you, then it'll probably be right for somebody else. But because we've been in communication so long, we really wanted to kind of give you first dibs on it. So